And welcome to Naga City in the Philippines, everybody. We're gonna take a walk through here. We're gonna see what's up. Perhaps we're gonna get some snack, some snack on the road. Perhaps get a coffee. We'll see now. We will see where the road takes us. If we put you down here, we're gonna take a walk, shorty. Hi, boo. Okay, let's take a walk. Let's see what's happening. Get us some nice street food. Amazing. Nice to the battery replacements. You know what's down here? I don't think there's like vendors and stuff. I think it's mostly quiet. There are a lot of vendors over there. I'm gonna take a walk through there. Perhaps get some food. I actually want a coffee. Like I'm dying for a coffee. Let me see if I see a vendor that does coffee. Oh, Pacencia. We're gonna get a walk on. Nice street food vendors over there. I wonder if they sell coffee. Did we go across the road just now and see? Maybe they've got some nice coffee in Naga City. Get it next to the road by the vendors. As you can see, it's crazy busy. It's, I don't understand. Scooters and tricycles and cars. They all just go wherever they want to go. Thank you for pressing the thumbs up. Double tap the screen for me, guys. It really does help the channel. Hey brother man, how are you today? Yes, I'm more in the center, you know, there's SM. You would probably know SM from the city you are in. They've also got SM. So yeah, it's a bit more busy here. I just want to get a coffee. But if they sell coffee, I won't see. You can get coffee everywhere, so that's fine. Salamat po. Ah, this is good. Some eggs. How's it, man? How are you? Hi, Paul. Need some coffee? No coffee. Where can I get a coffee? Where can I get a coffee?
Over there, sir.
That side. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Where can I get a coffee? I'll find a vendor now that sells coffee. It's not too hard. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, you speak to your wife every day. That's good. You have to. I mean, she's not with you. She's in the Philippines and you are in the US. But soon, brother, you won't be here. I can feel it. Soon you won't be in the Philippines. Ah, this is just fruit. Let's see. Coffee. I think they sell coffee. Yeah, check this out. This is how you get a coffee.
Ma, akala ko ba
Hi, Tita.
at natikman mo na ang mga pagkain sa iba't ibang lugar? Bakit wala kang nahanap
Ayo.
na paborito mong pagkain?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Anong bansa?
Yes.
Ang luto sa number 1
Check, yeah, this is what's amazing. You get a coffee.
Ano?
Sasabihin ko
This
sa'yo,
one
umuwi
is
na ako ilang araw
Blanca.
na makalipas. Bumili ako
The
ng
coffee
bahay
ka.
sa Hacienda Santa Clara. Tapos yung kapitbahay ko,
This is how you
yung
get a
babae
coffee.
nakatira sa number 808. Magaling magluto. Lalo na yung lechon. Malutong at maanghang. Matamis at maasim ang sarap. Napakasarap.
Yeah,
Noong
it's a
nakaraang
good
taon,
one, bro.
Bumili din ako ng bahay. Sa
Coffee Cup
Hacienda Santa
Blanco
Clara.
is not a bad one. I enjoy it. And it's not too strong. That's the thing.
Hindi. Number 808, Hacienda Santa Clara. Hindi ba yun yung bahay ng asawa kong biglaan kong pinakasalan?
Ano na sinasabi mo?
Ako,
Magandang
Ah,
araw.
masarap,
Ako po
you're
ang head
right.
chef para sa SA Private Pool.
Sarap kopi.
Kumusta po? Ang pangunahing ulam ngayon ay lechon. Hindi ba ito yung batang babae? Sa number 808 ng Hacienda Santa
And this is like 20 peso. It's not bad.
Kayo pala.
ma,
Ah,
sinasabi mo
salamat
bang
po.
yung babae sa number 808, Hacienda Santa Clara ay siya?
Ay, anak, saktong-sakto ang dating mo. Eh, inaasam-asam ko talaga to. Marco, ito yung lechon na sinasabi ni Isabel. Tikman mo.
Yeah, but it's not a
Ang sarap.
cappuccino one. It's not yet.
Ano na?
Salamat po.
Sa
Is
Hacienda
that
Santa
Ingat?
Clara, unit 808. Baka siya yung babae na kinasal sa kitang biglaan isang taon na makalipas.
Kapag nakapag-divorce na ako sa asawa ko mayaman, tiyak na papalayasin niya ako sa Hacienda Santa
Okay.
Clara.
Thank you.
Inuupahan ng po.
There you go. How easy is it to get a coffee? No, I need this coffee. Like shit, hey, I do. Okay, let's go take a walk that side. Thank you for the thumbs up, brother. Thank you for the thumbs up. You see, the thing is, they don't have the cappuccino one here. I usually do drink it, but yeah, it's not here at the moment. Yeah, the Coffee Cup Blanca, it's good. It must do. I'll take a walk through the vendors there now, show everybody the street food and whatnot. Ah, brother man, we are sharing a coffee together, man. This one is from you. Yeah, you bought me like a few coffees the other night. Thank you. Just got such a headache today. It's so hot. As you know, the Philippines is very hot always. With the kids. Maybe when you come down south of your zone. You know, it's a known fact that Bicuyanos are the most rainy in the Philippines. Very nice. Very cool. Ah, that side is a dead end. Not really much going on there. Ah, is it better now, brother? Is it still lagging? No, I think it's the signal. I think it's the signal sometimes that messes you up. Yeah, the night markets are also a market. It's just a area. When they see you outside of work, they just walk past you, they try. Is the signal better now? But is it better now? Because maybe I must just restart it. I can restart my signal. Perhaps we should just take a walk. How are you, brother? Good. They get shy when they see you. this is we can eat. Let's see if I can find a dustbin bag. I think that's a dustbin bag. I think somebody is sweeping. E3 barber shop. Oh wait, did we take a picture of this? Actually, want to take a photo pic, you just do this. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second. Okay, I think I've got it better now. So yeah, double tap for me, everybody. This is Naga City. Desperately speaking, I need to get myself something to eat. I will get myself like 2 pieces of chicken probably. There's a nice street vendor over there that I must maybe check out. I think it would be good. Yeah, I hope the signal is better, everybody. I hope the signal is better now. We will enter the chaos right now. Naga City. It's actually a pilgrimage city. A lot of churches. A lot of churches and all kinds of stuff. You know, that's a cafe country, so a lot of churches, beautiful ones. Oh, thank you, Boot. Dankie. Waardeer. Everybody tap that screen for me, please. Give me a like. That's much appreciated. I don't know if I should get crispy queen, crispy king. Let's see. So we can get on, move on here. The eateries are phenomenal. Like check this, you can eat anything. Yeah. That is quite nice. Oh. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Much appreciated. It really does help the channel. The interesting thing about the vendors is they come with their tricycles and they park it over there, put their tables over, put the gazebo, and they do their thing. It's amazing. Yeah, got people eating. Yeah, it's so nice. Definitely a hot evening. Perhaps take a photo here. Hey, yo, you guys. I just want to take a photo here, everybody, so just hang with me. Okay, and we are back. I think this is a good one. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Much appreciated. Everybody, let's press that thumbs up. Double tap the screen for me. Stay a bit. Ask some questions. Take a walk on. Let's see what's happening this side. Some more people eating. Very nice. It's gonna be a busy area though. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Okay. So when you come to the Philippines, you won't realize how easy it is to get things. Perhaps I can walk across and show everybody the other vendors and how easy it is. When you eat something, you just go to one of those guys. Vendors over there, they do their thing. And it's quite cheap, you know. But also be careful where you eat, don't just eat anything. Like you would know, you know, if it's dirty or not. For the most part, I've never been sick. Okay, I want to head across the road there and show people the vendors over there. Yeah, let's head on across the road over there. But look at this, all you see is vendors. How are you, sir? Vendors, 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 and you can eat there and you can do whatever you want. Which I think it's amazing. There's eateries. Now the eateries is way different than the vendors. The vendors are more cheap, and what they do is they won't come and they won't pack up. You see, like this guy, he's got his tricycle vendor going. All of them, they put their stuff out. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up. Double tap for me. Just double tap the screen. It's so easy. Yeah. Let's go see what vendors are there. Hi, Tita. Okay, there's people eating. Okay, let's check. What I'll do is I'm going to walk this side. When I come back, we can travel to the other side. Oh, sorry. Well, I've been in Naga City now for 2 years. No, I'm young. 1 year and 1 month, but not in Naga. But I'm not too far away from the city. So yeah, I don't really come here often. But when I do, I try to do it, you know, yeah. Thank you. See how kind they are. Bicuyanos from everybody in the Philippines. I think Bicuyanos are the most friendly. They are the, yeah, I do enjoy them the most. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. First and original dragon fruit. Dragon fruit juice. Interesting. Okay, that's a dragon fruit juice. What a beautiful vendor. Yeah. Everybody brings out their stuff and they just do their thing. Ah, there's this monkey. Hey, oh yeah, you see? Here you can get this stuff. Interesting. Very cool. Okay. Let's get a walk on. Now you see, this is what I speak about. With the tables, yeah, you can eat and you can do your thing. Now check this. Nice barbecue. How are you, sir? How are you guys? Ah, fresh manok. Yeah. Shout out to the Bicuyanos.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The most friendly people in the Philippines.
Yes.
Ah, bayi kakon ingat.
Ingat.
You see? Always happy. But the thing is, yeah, just be respectful. Just be respectful. Okay. For this part, I think the vendors are. There's another vendor here. See? Tricycle. They set up all their things. And yeah, you can buy some food and yeah. Very nice. Ingat. I've actually cut my hair here once. Okay, this is the end of this street over here. On the trail. Look at this. Interesting. Yeah, but we won't take a walk back. Hey, yo, sir, how are you? Hey, big man. He's so you, eh? What's that? Fascinating. The good thing about Naga is there's police presence everywhere. So yeah, it's safe. One of the police force members is actually a close friend of mine. Jig Barameda. But he transferred from Naga, he's in Pasakau now. Let's go across the road there, let's check what's happening that side. Good evening, good evening. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
So yeah, let's check the vendors out here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. What a nice little walk. Hey, everybody, press a thumbs up for me there. If you got any questions, just put it there in the comments. This is a beautiful view. Beautiful view. Now this is SM. One of the big malls here. Very cool. Naga. I don't even know if I pronounce it right. Naga. That's fine. Either way, it's fine. Check this guy. Wait, what I want to do is take a photo here. Everybody give me 5 seconds. This is fascinating. Okay, and we are back. Trying to get a nice picture here for everybody, man. Okay, this is how things work here. Got his music going. Take this guy, he's barbecuing the shit out of that meat. Probably manok. Ah, sorry man. Ah, thank you for the thumbs up. We are standing on 8. Let's make it to at least 15. So I need a better photo here. Wait, let me get one here. Yeah, that's a nice one. Hello, Yubing Hive. Thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for the thumbs up also. Seems like I keep being in the way of some tricycle here. Maybe I must just walk to the side there. Then I'm gonna take a walk on. Filipino technique. I got some burgers going. Even got some dancing, some buko. The thing is with the buko is it cannot stand in the sun. Once it stands in the sun, the buko goes off. So I don't really trust it because I don't know how fresh it is. Yeah, fascinating. Just go stand over there for a second. Yeah, the street foods are very awesome. I enjoy it. I enjoy just to walk past and see on the barbecue and all the things. It's quite amazing. Oh, let's see what's happening here. All of them are vendors, and this is not even a market. Not even a market. I want to get me something to eat. Maybe I must try something from the street and show the people. I don't know. You guys can tell me in the comments. Just put it in the comments here and I will do it. Yeah, you're being hype, it does. Especially when you smell all the meat and you smell all the things. It can make one hungry. Across the road quickly, but this traffic is, yeah, it's heavy, it's heavy. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Everybody tap that double screen for me. Double tap the screen, I mean. It really does like my, help my stream. Just get to 15 yards. We are currently on 8. I mean, I think I can hit 15. Stand out of the way here so I don't disturb somebody. Some kids. I don't know what this is. That seems fun. So yeah, just put it in the comments if you guys wanted to try something. And also double tap that screen for me. Give me that thumbs up. If you want, you can subscribe. Yeah, maybe I can try some barbecue. I want just now in a minute, I want to try some barbecue and show everybody, yeah, the barbecue. I'm gonna have to find a barbecue stand though. I'll find one, there's so many vendors. Welcome to the Philippines. Something nice. Maybe I must walk slowly past the vendors and then everybody can see, and then you can just say, okay, try that. I think that's something we can do. Definitely something we can do. I don't know why people are walking through here. I don't know there's a road. Yeah, something nice. Let's see. There's Spider-Man. I don't know what that is. Even does your own balls thing. I don't know what it is. Seems interesting though. Someone is pumping the music. But we're gonna take a walk through here and we can see what we can get. So yeah, I would say if I can get 10 yikes, or maybe let's go up to 15, I will eat something. I will get something at one of the vendors and I'll show everybody how it is and I can rate it. How it is, yeah. So let's do this, guys. Just get double tap that screen. If I get to 10, I will find a vendor, and then if I get to 12, I will order something. 15, I will eat. Oh yeah, they've got tables and chairs on the side. You can sit and eat. Hey, it's cat. A cat right here, man. I must say I'm getting thirsty. I wonder if I cannot find something to drink. I'm very thirsty. Throat is dry. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm almost on. Once I hit 12 thumbs up, I'm gonna find a vendor. I'm gonna try to get 15 thumbs up, then I'm gonna eat something. Some Filipino street food. I don't know what yet, but we're gonna walk together through the vendors and we're gonna chow something. So yeah. 10 thumbs up. Let's make it 15 so I can eat some street food. I'm hungry, guys. Come on. We can eat together. I'll order something at one of the vendors here. And you guys can also pick what I eat. You all can pick. So, almost 15 thumbs up. Double tap that screen. Let's see, I don't know how many thumbs up there is now. I need 15 so I can eat some street food. So I'm just waiting for 5 more. 5 more thumbs up and then we're gonna have some street food. So everybody double tap that screen. It's much appreciated and it also helps my channel. I mean, I'm showing you guys some raw, authentic Philippines footage here. This is something you're not gonna see. Yeah, maybe I must try something there. I don't know what it is. Even this you don't balls things, I don't know what it is. But once I reach 15, we're gonna eat. So I'm gonna take a small walk on. I'm waiting for 15 yikes. So we're gonna have some street food. Okay, let's get this, let's get this. 15 yikes, guys, 15 yikes. All I need is 15. So you get picky in the brain. Shout out, my brother. I don't know what this is though. Seems nice though. I need 15 thumbs up. Just ask him what it is. Jeving, do you know what this is? I don't know what it is. Maybe you know what it is. It looks nice. Looks like some type of dough. But like I said, I'm not sure what it is. I'm scared to eat things that I don't know what it is. Maybe I can get something to drink. Yeah, I'm so thirsty. But I'm cutting down on the soft drinks. I don't have it so much anymore. Let me ask the vendor here. Hi, Bo. What is this? Takoyaki. What's in it? What's inside? Ah, pet cheese. Yeah, I don't know. This seems nice. Bacano for one. 4. Okay, so this is 55 peso. You get 4 pieces. This is Korean. Oh, Japanese. Okay. Yeah, this is Japanese. So 55 peso. You get 4. Seems cool. I wonder if I shouldn't get some. I will definitely come and have some. And that is a sauce, mayonnaise and interesting. Bayikako. I will come try some bayikako. Okay. Yeah, I must definitely try this Japanese stuff. Seems really cool. There's some cheese inside. Let's take a walk on. Oh wow, this is corn. I think it's corn in a cup. That's very cool. Yeah, that's corn in a cup. Have you tried the corn in a cup? Okay, let's take a walk on. Corn in a cup. Strong for sale. Yeah. Manok. Crispy King. That's chicken. I think I'll probably just get some Crispy King. Maybe get a hit on soft drink here. Very cool. Hi. Can I get? Yes. What time do you close? 12. Okay, so I can still walk around and still come get. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I won't come get some crispy king when I'm done on my walk. I do enjoy crispy king. It's nice. Okay, let's see what's going on here. They close at 12, so that gives me enough time. And this is Krispy Kreme. I wonder why I ordered crispy. Okay. Oh, now it went quiet this side. No more vendors, so I think I just want to get myself something to drink. Then we're gonna go that side, and we're gonna get something small to eat from the street. Yeah, very nice, very cool. But for now, let's get something to drink, maybe a soft drink. I forgot water, I didn't bring water with. Yeah, there's another vendor over there. Let's go see what he's got. Let's go see what he makes. I really want to try that Japanese balls, or whatever the name is. I can't remember the name, but yeah. Seems interesting. Oh, that's fruit. Mostly fruit. Thank you for a thumbs up. Thank you for a thumbs up. Much appreciated. Oh, some barbecue. Yeah, usually it's like 25 peso, you get a barbecue. Ah, some chicken heads. Hi. Some intestines. Yeah, very cool. Okay, but I'm not having barbecue tonight. I just want to find somewhere for me to have a soft drink. Then I'm going to walk back and get my food. Princess fried chicken. Yeah. Ah, this is nice. One piece, Java rice, onion gravy, 2 people cook. Hey man. You know, sometimes the vendors make better food than the fast food restaurants. And extra Java. I've got no idea what's Java. With onion gravy and extra. What is Java?
Java rice, that is a rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Ah, okay.
Yellow rice.
Yeah, I do enjoy the yellow rice. Maybe I should get myself something here. Seems good. The chicken seems fresh. I wonder. Giving up, what do you think? Get some. Yeah, I think I must. Seems good. What time do you close your store?
7 p.m.
And what time you close?
Now finish. 10 to 11 p.m.
Did you see the time here? It's 10 now. So it's 10 o'clock now, so maybe 1 more hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, this seems very cool. I think I'll get myself something like this for dinner. Then we get a soft drink. Just get a soft drink and then we can come back. Yeah, I will get something there. That sounds very cool. Okay, let's get a soft drink over here. So I'm trying to find a store. How are you, my man? Yeah, I'm sure we can get something to drink here. Hi, Tita. Can I get a soft drink? Okay. Right, let's get a Pepsi. I don't know why, but I'm craving a Pepsi. Mr. Spider. Okay. I don't know why the bottle cap is so far. There's the straws. Thank you. Thank you. So what you do is you must always give your empty bag. Else I put it in a plastic bag for you. Which I don't really enjoy that plastic bag story. Not for me. Okay. Let's get some food. And let's get done. I want to do another stream later on, but in a different area. Okay, can I get the one-piece pork chop?
Sir, I'm sorry, there's no java rice.
Oh no, man. Now there's no java rice, so there's no rice.
There's no rice.
Ah, okay. He's so good. He's sold out.
Sold out.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow again.
you back
7 p.m.
at this spot.
Yes.
I'll see you tomorrow then. All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ingat.
Take care.
Okay, so I guess it's gonna have to be Crispy King. Because I'm not in the mood for barbecue. I will not have barbecue tonight. No ways. I have some Crispy King. Come on guys, press that, double tap that screen for me. Let's get some street food. This is where things are happening. Welcome to Naga. Let's take a walk. Roberto, pues yeah. Look. Nope. That's not gonna be working for me. Hey, let's get some crispy king. Okay, wait. Crispy king or street food? This is going to be up for debate now. This is going to be a question. I think that Yeving must answer for me. Should I do street food or should I do crispy king? I think crispy king is probably going to be the one. Shout out to the kid, to the gangster kid. Shout out to you, man. There he goes. So that is. No. No, Bawang. I'm just walking. Walk. Yeah. Showing people the beautiful Naga City. Yeah. I don't have money. Wayang pera. Yeah. You asked the wrong guy for money, my friend. Yeah. Okay, let's take a walk. Alright, ingat, eh? Okay. Funny how they see you, they always ask for money because they think you're a white guy, so they think that you are Yoda. Which is not even true. What's going on there? Seems good. I'm gonna go check it out now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk until there, have a stop, get my crispy king, and then I will do another stream. After I'm done with this one. Ah, sorry. Yes, I'm standing in everybody's way here. Let me stand over here. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get some crispy king. I think that's the safest for now. At least I know the rice is fresh. Maybe I can get some gravy with it. You guys, let's go get some crispy king. crispy king ris. Crispy king. Yeah, okay. Let's go get it. Let's go. The noise drink in fries. Oh no. I don't want drink in fries. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Wayang pera.
Yeah.
Come on, we always want to come out. Where's the parents? The parents must give them money. Boya, boya. Boya, boya. Let's just wait. We can order something now. Sorry.
Tissue ka.
Magkano ba? Ilan tayo? Okay.
Sorry, Kazi. Sorry. Yeah, wait in the queue, my friend. Can I get 2 of those youth meal? 2, please. Yeah. Thank you. Take out, please. And also an extra scoop of rice, please. Extra scoop of rice.
Your rice is 2 pieces.
Yes. That happens, no speed. It's okay.
Maganda, pabili ko guys. Wait. Walk in. Magkano?
Nice beautiful thing here, guys. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Salamat po. Alright, ingat. Okay. We've got our crispy king. Now we can head off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into a tricycle. It's 15 peso. I will go back to another area. It's not gonna be so busy like this, and I'm gonna do a dive again in probably, let's say, an hour from now. I'll do another dive soon. But let's get to another destination first. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's see if I can get a tricycle. Just need to get a tricycle, then we are on our way. Thank you for the thumbs up, brothers. Thank you. It really does help the screen. Just double tap it. Tip, tip, easy. It does help the stream a lot, so much appreciated. We are standing on 10 now, which is good. Hey, Paul. He didn't see me. He went straight past me. It's okay. I'll get another tricycle. It's not the end. Sometimes you just have to wait a bit. But we won't get another one just now. Always good to be out and about doing things. How are you, my friend? Thank you for the thumbs up, my friend. Thank you. Standing on the heaven, that's good. Okay, guys, I'm going to head off. I'm gonna head off now. We will do another stream. Again, let's get a tricycle and let's go. Let's get a tricycle. Oh yeah, very nice. That is a good one. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream in another 5 minutes. I'm heading off to another destination, and then probably in only an hour I will do the stream again. Oh, welcome back, my brother. I'm on my way now. As you come back, I'm on my way out. Just getting a tricycle. Just getting a tricycle. Yeah, Popeyes is popping up soon. NICC? NICC? Okay, let's get into a tricycle, guys. Thank you po. Yeah, wherever you see a Popeyes, you know it's big. That's true, my brother, that's true. Ah, look at this restaurant, how nice. Look at this kid. Hey Jorina, welkom bij die livestream. Ik is nou een pad uit, so ja, sorry, jy is bietjie ja. Ah, jy is altijd welkom. Very much, thank you. Nou guys, thumbs up voor mij als je kan. Oh, oh. The bouncy road. Ja, nee, dankie. Tenminste, het is een beetje gezien. Yeah, that's fine there. How's that for? I can walk. How's that? More. Okay. Sorry about that. Thank you. Ingat. Okay, so everybody, I won't be ending the stream now. Thank you all for watching. Torina, baie dankie. Ek sal nou weer stream maak. So yeah, everybody, have a good evening and we will speak later. Bye.